All right, y'all. I don't know what happened to the video before, but we are going to cook some fish on a grill, and we got the rib on the other side. We got that grease warming up right now on the grill. So see it sizzling. Yes, and then we got the rib on the other side. So what we're gonna do is just come over here and we're gonna add a piece of fish right there. Put it in that cornmeal, that good old cornmeal. Let's see, we're gonna see if when I'm ready, I demonstrate. Yeah, that fire, see that fire going. Do it again. Another piece of fish. So it's gonna smell like fish and ribs out here, y'all. Alright, we got our last piece. Look at that, y'all. That's how you cook. Cook outside, grilling. So we gonna have not only some ribs, we gonna have some fried whitings. Fresh cut. Got the ribs jumping on. So we're gonna do some Kraft macaroni and cheese, and I got some potato salad too, store bought. I'm not doing no homemade because I bought this and so from the store, the store bought salad, potato salad, and I'm just gonna whip up some macaroni and cheese to go with this. I got that fish cooked, yes. And I'm gonna need y'all to wash this real quick while I go get some water.
From WrestleMania Backlash Live to The Undertaker's Last Ride. Best wrestling show in the world. Plus live sports, fan favorite show, and shows you know. So whether it's Jericho or
Time to flip this rib over.
it's all you. That's why you can't stop watching.
And the fish, it ain't time to flip it over yet.
Salon so soon? Not today, Greg. From America's #1 Clairol Root Touch-Up. Seamlessly blend roots in just 10 minutes. And with the most shade choices, you've got this covered with Clairol Root Touch-Up. Now in permanent spray, gel, and powder.
So close to a tie! Oh, but that was
Rib looking good already. Fish. I want to know, have y'all ever tried fish on a grill? Fries and stuff. You can fry chicken on the grill. You can fry fish, anything, pork chop. You know, as long as you got a good pan that can withstand the heat.
Can you believe it? This just speaks volumes about how much every one of these competitors.
And if you want to, you can even let this down. Let the grill down, but I don't like letting the grill down. I like to see my food cooking. That's only if you want to get some steam. And that fish is fine, good on the grill. Oh, y'all, it is hot up there. Oh, goodness. It is hot, 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 hot. Let's see, we got the berries all in the little pool. Look at the little berries all in the little pool. Oh, but I had to break away from that grill.
Raging legs there, a kick to the side of the jaw. Breaking up the pinfall attempt.
Ain't time to flip yet, so I get to get hurt. It ain't hurt. It ain't hard, just y'all. So, anyways, how is your Sunday going so far, y'all? Y'all all right? And I'm just trying to get my nerves together, y'all. There's a lot been going on. I lost somebody yesterday that was dear, just like a little son to me. And I just can't believe it. So with all of the other stuff that I be dealing with, and this right here is just, I can't even talk about it. I don't even know how to feel. But I'm not gonna see this young man again. And how somebody just took his life. Can't believe it. Wow. It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. But, you know, I just be trying to, let me get over here by the shade. I be just trying to create, you know, my happiness and my surroundings to be as peaceful as possible. And what I'm realizing now is that you got a lot of angry and hateful people out here in this world. And we are humans. We are humans, the same breed. And it's just like, don't you know what you do on this universe is going to come back on you? Don't you know that? It's just so crazy out here, you know. Crazy.
I don't think there's room for all these 3 men up there.
The disrespect from humanity and family and